5-star Home Remodeling Contractors in Hayward, construction remodeling in Bay Area. If you're looking to buy a house and want it remodeled, it's important to find the right team of contractors. Fortunately, the Bay Area has some highly experienced home remodeling contractors that are able to turn your dream house into a reality. Let's look at 5-star home remodeling contractors in Hayward who can make your construction and remodeling dreams come true. The first thing you need to look for when hiring any contractor is experience. You don't want someone who is new to the industry. You want someone who has years of experience and knows what they are doing. Look for contractors who have been in business for years and check their portfolio for examples of their work. This will give you an idea of the quality of work they do and help you make an informed decision about who to hire. Another important factor is the range of services offered by the contractor. Make sure that the contractor offers all the benefits that your project requires, such as electrical wiring, plumbing, painting, flooring installation, and more. A good contractor should be able to take care of everything from start to finish so that you don't have to worry about handling multiple tasks yourself. Finally, make sure that the contractor provides cost-effective solutions that fit within your budget. Find out if they offer any discounts or deals on their services so that you can save money on your project without compromising on quality or service. Ask them about their payment plans as well. This will help ensure that all payments are made on time and in full without any delays or issues down the road. Finding reliable home remodeling contractors in Hayward can be challenging, but it is possible with some research and diligence. Look for contractors with experience, a wide range of services, and cost-effective solutions so that your project runs smoothly from start to finish without any hiccups along the way. With these tips in mind, finding quality home remodeling contractors should be a breeze.